Well, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm sitting in my backyard right now, and this is my air conditioner running non-stop. And it's very hot this summer. It's in the 90s every day. So this is a ceiling fan I bought from Amazon. Unique about this ceiling fan is you don't need to do any connection at all. It's a portable ceiling fan. Basically, all you need to do is just screw this into a light socket, and that's it. And when it came in a box, and basically it's so easy. It has I see five fan plate, and to connect this, all you need to do is just push it in right here. There's a slot right here. Just push it in, and then the connection is complete. You see right there. That's it, you see. And it came with a remote control, but yeah, I think you have to put two battery in there. Battery not included. With remote control, you can change the speed of the fan, and a 1000 lumen LED lights in here too. You can turn on the light. This will fit into the light socket E26 to E26 and E27, so it will fit to the regular light socket basically. Let's go connect this to the light socket. So this is my light socket right here. Just take this light bulb out and screw this in. Yeah, it's perfect for your room. You know, no need, no connection at all basically. So you can see there's a LED light right here. You can turn it off. Okay, use the remote control, you can turn it off, turn it on. And this one is about $20, $19.95 I think. So the diameter here from the tip of the fan blade to the tip of this fan blade right here is 16.54. So 16.54. If there's a bigger one too. They're like 20.54, 25 diameter. So you pay a little more. That one, I think you pay around like $21 for that one. So if you want a bigger one, so if you have a small room with a light socket on the top, you know, it's like you can screw this on. That's it. It's so easy. And okay, let me turn on the fan. Yeah, it's so hot right now. See here, there's a fan. All right. Oh man, you feel comfortable right here. I'm in my garage right now. So you see that? You stand underneath here, and you can change the span. I think the speed of the fan too. Let me see. And you can turn on the light. It's super easy. Look at this. I think you can change. There's a lot of mode right here. I'm playing around with it. You can change the span at the fan speed. See? You can make it. You can feel the breeze right here. It's really cool. And you can turn off the light. Let's see. Yeah, you look at it. You can change the color of the light to different color. You can set the timer right here. There's also a timer, like a 2-hour timer or 4-hour timer. You can set that, and let's see. Yeah, the speed of the fan right here. You can just you make it go fast or go slow. Oh. The light you can change to bright. I think the brightest is 1000 lumen. Or you can change to a different color. Look at that. Different color, see? Different color light. And if you put this in your room, it's really, you feel comfortable. You know, it's like no need. So you don't need to buy a fan anymore. You know, You don't need electrician, all that to do all connection. All you need to do is just a light socket and screw this in. This is so simple, super simple. And come with the remote control, and the fan is have 5 blades basically. The blades all come, you have to connect the blade to this thing there here. Look at that. See the moon right here? You can change it to and yeah, you can set the timer to have the fan run for 2 hours or 4 hours. And it's nice, isn't it? Look at it, so bright. So the brightness is 1000 lumen. So you can buy this off from Amazon. Yeah, they don't pay me to do this video. I'm just curious, just to test it out. I found this on Amazon. So it's $19.95 for this one. From the diameter from the tip of the blade to the other tip of the blade is 16.54. You can buy a bigger one. They have a bigger one, the 20.54, the diameter, but that's, you have to pay about $21. So I hope you find this video interesting, and if you like to try it out, just buy one from Amazon. And no connection at all. Need to just screw it to the light socket. That's it. Screw to the socket and you have a ceiling fan. So a portable ceiling fan. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.